Okay guys, welcome back to another video. We are doing some more stuff on this thing. And we are fixing this.
I don't think they can see what you're pointing at, but yes, we're fixing that.
Ugh, it's disgusting. So we have these lovely things called headlights. Look how clear those are.
TYC automotive lamps.
Yes, TYC.
Why don't you do it that side?
Because it's this side, look at that.
I swear.
He's in the way. Look. Look at the difference.
I actually wonder if that's visible, but those are so much clearer.
It's gonna change the whole look of the car. Just look at this. You might even be able to see yourselves. Look.
Would you look at that? Just look at it. Just look at it.
It's brilliant. Anyway, so we are gonna do that, and it's basically gonna change the look of the car.
Let's do some stripping.
Some might even say it'll be a new car. So the first thing you wanna do is pop the bonnet. There we go.
Yes.
Heave. All the strength of the mighty bonnet.
Negative terminal is A.
Okay, we don't need to disconnect the battery. It's just headlights.
Negative terminal is A.
Leave it, man. I promise we won't shock anything this time.
Yeah, because you're doing the work.
Yeah, I know I am.
I'm filming.
Okay, there you go.
What we need is a side cutter.
Yes. This car's actually going to be quite easy because it is a stance car. Screws don't last long on these bumpers.
They don't.
So you just, yeah, you sort it out with that. Done. You know what the funny part is?
We don't have side cutters.
Nope.
Step one, check your toolbox, guys.
Checking toolbox. And there is no side cutters anywhere to be found.
Go find a scissor.
He's taking the scissors to my vehicle.
I don't know where that ended up. Let's just hope it didn't end up inside the mold.
So now we need to rip shit.
You're still gonna use those.
There we go.
There, one went under the car.
There we go. That's about right. Yeah.
Dude, this thing was painted.
And that's how you get a Yaris. Guys, don't steal Yaris bumpers. I promise it's not that easy. It is that easy.
But
don't steal it. It's
is there
not
actually
cool.
no bumper mount on it?
What?
Are they no like... Because remember on the Conquest, the bumper is mounted to these things?
No. I just showed you. The only thing holding it in now is the look. That.
And we don't need that.
And what are these things called? Fender liners. Oh, it's actually two cable ties and some wires that are going to the fog lights.
Also, there's more cable ties.
Two. One that side, one that side. But I don't think we have to take the whole bumper off because we can access the whole headlamp from here.
Okay, what size are these?
10s.
Brilliant. Checking toolbox.
It's always 10s. Except for when it isn't.
What did you say?
It's always 10s. Except for when it isn't. Like on your car, when it's always 13s. Why do you give me the smallest, most anorexic 10 you can find?
Because you don't need anything bigger.
No, give me an extension.
For what?
To extend.
For what?
Learn to use your tools.
Says the blind one.
Says what? Huh? Yeah. You
Sorry,
can't say that
finish
anymore
what you
in 6 to 8 weeks.
Or I can say it as much as possible for 6 to 8 weeks because I can't say it anymore.
But not after. Not after. You can't say that anymore after.
Alright, well, I just need to add the word was or were or previously.
Just like I need to add the word shut and up.
Brother?
Yes.
Looks like you're struggling with it then.
No.
Don't now damage the things.
Oh, it's so nice to get rid of these.
Somebody has a cracked headlight somewhere and might be wanting to use these.
Nah, it's not worth it. We've polished these things literally a million times.
I didn't say they're going to polish them. I just said they might need a set. And now you're ruining it.
If you need a set, contact IS Motorsport to get yourself a brand new set of headlights. Were you so worried about being cancelled for?
I think you broke something.
Maybe.
Take it easy. There's another bolt that's on there.
Where?
Here. I just said there's another bolt here. I literally just said it.
And I'm the blind one.
Yes, because you didn't see the bolt that's there.
What bolt?
This one.
It's not a bolt. You're my man, it's the light. Yeah. Yeah. And you're currently paying to see, and you want to tell me shit?
No, I paid a couple of years ago. In fact, I'm overdue.
Yeah, you should go fix that, because wow. Out here barking orders at me.
It wasn't an order, it was an observation.
It was rubbish is what it was.
Ah.
It was rubbish.
Ooh, you know what we didn't do?
Why do I insist on fitting oversized headlamps in my lights?
Yes, all of them. You know what we didn't do?
What?
We didn't shoot before cinematics.
No, we did not. Do you want to do that now? It still looks quite normal. It's fine. You can shoot cinematics. Go for it.
We'll just shoot from the side.
Just show them the cinematics, man. Roll the tape.
All right, what was that?
Cinematics. Okay.
Did you manage to find the thing during the cinematics?
The what?
Did you find how to release the thing during the cinematics?
Yeah, I did.
Simple.
And we need to take this
So you
motor.
need to take the motor out.
Yeah.
Okay, so how do we get this out?
How hard can it be?
I mean, it looks like it's loose. So whatever you did is kind of working. Okay, don't just yank at things, brother. Nah, I think we need to actually, because look, while you're busy moving that,
The
so
whole
do the whole
inside.
thing, yeah.
The whole inside, yes.
So you might be deleting your up and down stuff.
Some adjustability.
After a little bit of fiddling,
We've come to the conclusion that we absolutely know nothing.
I mean, we've always known that, but
Well, yeah. Anyway, what we do know is that doesn't matter. This,
so you actually need to take these out,
yeah,
replace your bulbs,
yeah,
and then we can put the headlight in.
yes. So that goes there.
So I need to tell you everything.
Hold.
Oh,
No, don't
look
trust
at you.
I'd rather
Bring the thing.
I'd rather put on the floor. Let this man and his club, you know.
But I'm holding your phone.
You are. And the panic that I'm in is unfathomable.
Says the person nearly just broke his indicator light.
Broke what?
Nearly.
People get tired of you.
No.
I do.
Sure. Did you mix them up now?
No. Just making sure that it is, in fact,
The right one?
yeah.
Because you mixed them up?
I didn't mix nothing. You're a clown. Don't turn the indicators on. Stressy.
No. Did we not take the battery out? This man I'm working on electronics.
Just got the
Turning indicators on, brother. Relax.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's working. Isn't that brilliant? You can turn it off. There we go. So that goes there, that goes there. We don't have this anymore. Let's try the hardest one first. Great success.
Brother.
What? What?
Just scratching up.
We know a pedal beater.
My word.
Huh?
Nothing.
What?
Just get done then. We still have a whole other side to do.
It's just one that plugs in their imagination. There we go. That one goes in there.
Nope. Come up. There we go, that looks better.
Oh, that looks orgasmic.
That already looks so much better.
That looks brilliant. Can't believe I waited all these years to do this. Now this screw goes into this hole.
It does look so much better. So from this, I'm going to show it with the wheel too because it looks so much better with the wheel. From this to that. That looks multiple times better. You can actually kind of see it. You can see the color difference. That looks a lot better. Yeah, we'll obviously just need to rub that clean, but that's how it looks now. And that is how it looked before. It's crazy. Anyway, the screen is now tray relevant. Yes.
Oh, look at that ugly car. It's purple, that car. Anyway, guys, look at that.
Would you look at this? Just look at it.
So nice. Even when you turn the lights off, it's still clear. It's brilliant. It really fixes the whole look of the car. It's one thing that I really hated on this car before was the headlights. I can't tell you how many times I polished those things. I've actually lost count.
When the wheels are clean, the silver with the... So we're back for day 2.
We are back for day 2. Well, you thought we were done. We're not. So we did some research, and very extensive research. By that we mean YouTube search. And yeah, over there. So this thing we weren't quite sure. It's the motor that adjusts the headlights up and down. But it didn't seem like on this headlight there was a spot for it. They are aftermarket.
No, it does seem like there's a spot for it. We just thought it's manual.
Yes.
Yes.
Turns out it's not. So that cover needs to come out and this needs to go in. And apparently this is not the easiest thing to go in.
Apparently.
So we're going to basically redo everything that we did yesterday just to put these guys in.
But don't they look cool?
They do. I mean, seriously. It's brilliant.
I mean, we should figure this out before we actually put everything back in because we had lost...
I was just excited to see how good it looks.
Yes, but then we had lost a bolt and then we spent an hour.
Well, we didn't find it. We found a similar one that seemed to work.
Maybe we find it today. Oh. You can't just yank things, brother.
Again, not a beer.
Yeah, but I didn't see that you took this out. That was the only bolt that I left in.
I took everything out. Again, not a beer. You know, chill. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Okay, well, and this one.
Because we're not going to take both of them out. We're going to figure it out with one. And if we can't figure it out, then you're just not running adjustments.
Yeah, it's fine.
So this is the little bung thing that we were talking about. Oh, my chair's not on wheels.
It is to roll. So
we need to figure out how to get that out. On the other headlights, this sort of twisted a little bit and then pulled out, right? And you had to yank on it. Potentially not the right way to get it out, but that's
how it came out.
That's how it came out. But now we need to figure out how to get this out. So we shall return momentarily.
It's out.
Well, in theory.
Turns out you don't always have to use a pry tool to pry. You can also use it to do twisting things.
Which is what I said. But
so yeah, and that's how it came out.
Well, almost. Yeah, because now you have to wiggle it out of.
There we go.
You know. Oh, that's actually cool. Theirs is metal. Huh. See, there's a thing there. So it looks like we need to slide it into that thing, or there's a hole there in the middle. So maybe we need to aim at that hole and then shove it through until it clicks.
So you saw that white thing I think Jose showed you on the last headlight. So we have to try and get that piece there into there. But it seems a bit far. But what I did on the other one, you see there, if you pull the headlight forward, it brings it forward. Yes. So that's exactly what we did. And then I was able to slide it in, and there we go, it's in. So now it's just a matter of finding the position.
In place.
Once you have found the position, and there we go, done.
Now you just plumb everything back up.
That theoretically would be easy, except for the fact that there's a bolt somewhere in my firewall.
Just as I stopped filming,
and we talked about not losing bolts, I put the bolt over here as to not lose it.
and then
It rolled and fell into there, to which we heard a sound of metal, ting, and that was it. So it is somewhere in there. We're probably going to take the wipers off just to get that bolt now.
you just enjoy making our lives difficult, don't you?
And actually, I put
You
it
lost
there.
a bolt yesterday. Today you put bolts where they don't go.
I love it.
Right, guys. That's that for this video. Remember to like, share,
Subscribe.
comment,
You have to subscribe
subscribe.
if you haven't yet already. If you know anyone that hasn't subscribed, tell them to do that.
Yes.
Do the subscribing thing.
So you send them a link and then you tell them to subscribe.
Yes. Subscribe. Subscribe. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Thanks for watching. But subscribe.
And watch the video through. I mean,
And subscribe. Subscribe.
and watch the video through
There should be a thing somewhere there. Subscribe. Just
and like. It's a thing that looks like this.
and subscribe. And subscribe.
Jeez.